Ever pull up to a stop sign and hear that annoying squeak or even a loud grinding sound coming from your wheels? You're not alone. Brake noise is one of the most common, and most ignored, car problems out there. But trust me, that sound could be your car's way of saying, help me before it gets expensive. Let's talk about what's really going on. Let's start with squeaking. A lot of times, squeaky brakes are caused by worn brake pads. Most pads today come with a little metal shim built in called a wear indicator. When the pad gets low, that metal hits the rotor and gives off that high-pitched squeal to warn you, hey, it's time to replace these. But sometimes, squeaks happen even if your pads are still good. It could be because of moisture, cheap pad material, or even a little dust caught between the pad and rotor. That's why not every squeak is an emergency, but it's always a good reason to get them checked. Now, grinding, that's a whole different story. If your brakes are grinding, especially when you press the pedal, that usually means your pads are completely worn out. What's happening is the metal backing of the pad is grinding directly against your brake rotor. Not only is that dangerous, it can also turn a $150 brake job into a $600 repair if the rotor gets damaged and needs to be replaced or resurfaced. Bottom line, if you hear grinding, don't wait. Get to a shop right away. Besides noise, other signs of brake trouble include a soft or spongy pedal, a pulsing feeling when you brake, or your car pulling to one side. These could mean air in the brake lines, warped rotors, or caliper issues, all things that need a professional look. So how do you avoid these problems? Easy, don't skip brake inspections. A good rule of thumb is to have them checked every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, or at least once a year. And please, don't buy the cheapest pads you can find. I know saving a few bucks feels good, but low-quality pads wear out faster, make more noise, and don't stop as well. Always go for reliable brands and have them installed properly. Your safety's worth it. Your brakes are literally your last line of defense on the road. Don't ignore the signs. If you hear squeaking or grinding or your brakes just feel off, get them checked before it turns into a big repair. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world auto repair tips, and drop a comment if you've dealt with squeaky brakes lately. We'd love to hear what fixed it for you. See you in the next one.